Going bananas, understanding this fruity phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and popular English idiom, go bananas. Ever heard of it? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. The phrase, go bananas, is an informal English idiom. It means to go crazy, become very excited, or to lose control. It has nothing to do with the actual fruit, but it's a colorful way to describe someone's wild or over-the-top behavior. Example: when she found out she won the lottery, she went bananas. Ever wondered why we use a fruit to describe someone's crazy behavior? The exact origin is unclear, but there are a few theories. 1. The term might have originated from the chaotic behavior of monkeys when presented with bananas. 2. In the 1960s and 1970s, banana was slang for crazy or silly. Remember, idioms often have historical or cultural backgrounds, making them an interesting aspect of language learning. Let's see how you can incorporate this phrase into your conversations. 1. The kids will go bananas when they see the new toy. 2. I can't believe he went bananas just because his favorite song played on the radio. 3. Be prepared, she might go bananas if she hears this news. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, go bananas. Idioms like these add flavor to the language and make conversations more dynamic. We hope you enjoyed learning about this quirky phrase. Remember to use it when someone is really excited or behaves crazily. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English idioms and expressions.